guys, welcome. So today is day 3 of the Jharkhand vlog, and today we are going to do some sightseeing in Ranchi itself. And now it's 8:30 and I'm going to have my breakfast here only in this hotel's restaurant.
We sat on the grass on a beautiful day. Don't need any mask, it's a beautiful day. A straw summer hat, it's a beautiful day. The birds in the sky, it's a beautiful day. It's just you and I, it's a beautiful day. Let's keep it alive, it's a beautiful day. We wander the land both near and far. We glow in the night with a million stars.
So guys, basically our today's plan is that we are going to visit Jona Falls, Sita Falls, Hundru Falls and Patratu Valley. So now first we are going to visit Jona Falls, which is about 40 kilometers from main Ranchi city.
I love this feeling and I wanna keep on feeling it. I love this feeling and I wanna keep on feeling it. I love this feeling and I wanna keep on feeling it. May we keep on feeling it, yeah. May we keep.
So guys, we have reached Jona Falls. This is the entrance.
Wander the land both near and far. We glow in the night with a million stars. A king in disguise, healing every scar.
Guys, I can hear the sound of the waterfalls. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Wait, I'll just show you. This is how it looks from up. Is the river. And where is the falls? I can't see the falls. Okay, so this is the board of Jona Falls, Jharkhand Tourism. Really nice. But the thing is, I can just see the river, but where is the falls? So guys, after like going through these stairs, we have to go till there. That small stair wala area, we have to go there, and then only we can get the view of the falls. Guys, 530 stairs. 530 stairs is too much. Then also in this hilly area, like I'm going downwards, so it's like easy, but while climbing up, I think it will be really difficult. I don't know. So guys, finally I'm in Jona Falls after climbing down 530 stairs. I'm finally here. 5 to 550 stairs. I'm finally here. Just see the beautiful view. I'm really liking the view. Beautiful waterfalls. If you come here, definitely visit Jona Falls. Otherwise, you're gonna miss a very beautiful viewpoint. Brave people out there. Really brave. I don't have that much guts. So bye. So this was in Jona Falls, Orni. Now we'll go to some other falls. Jona is done. So guys, now we are moving towards Sita Falls, which is about 42 kilometers from the main Ranchi city and a 10 to 15 minutes drive from Jona Falls. So guys, this is the next destination, Sita Falls. यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारा stairs है, 250 stairs. We have to go down. Like that, you have to go down. Guys, so we are here in Sita Falls right now. You see the board, Sita Falls, and such a huge falls, guys. Amazing. हाँ, कितने सारे टूरिस्ट आए हैं कोविड के टाइम में भी. हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल फॉल्स. सो गाइस, देख सकते हो, यू कैन सी द सीता फॉल्स, द ब्यूटीफुल फॉल्स. यू ऑल आर हियर. सो आफ्टर सीता फॉल्स we'll go somewhere else. So guys, the next destination for today is Hundru Falls, which is about 45 kilometers from the main Ranchi city. So yeah, let's go.
I love this feeling and I wanna keep on feeling it. May we keep on feeling it, yeah. May we keep on living it, yeah.
So after a drive of about 9 kilometers, we reached to the spot from where our trek is going to start. My mom isn't going, me, my brother and my dad, we are going to go to this trek. It is about 750 steps one way, so we are going to go 750 steps down and then come back 750 steps. So it is definitely not that easy. Going down can be easy, but coming up will be difficult. So guys, this is this picnic spot of Hundru Falls. As you all can see that already so many local people have come here to do picnic, and that is the ziplining area. So if you guys come here and you love adventurous sports, then you must do this.
Keep on living
Guys, I'm already exhausted because I've already trekked to Sita Falls and Jonah Falls. So this can be a little challenging for me. I'm really scared. But let's see, I think I can do it. Let's see, let's go. So guys, this is the Hundru Falls. So actually more number of steps are left to get the perfect and the full view of the Hundru Falls, but here we can already see a pretty much amazing view of this. So we are gonna take rest for a few minutes and then we'll head towards Patratu Valley, which is our next destination. So guys, Hundru Falls is over. Now we have come to a point where we have come to this dam. Now we are going to the Patratu Valley.
on the grass on a beautiful day. Don't need any mask, it's a beautiful day. A straw summer hat, it's a beautiful day. The birds in the sky, it's a beautiful day. It's just you and I, it's a beautiful day. Let's keep it alive, it's a beautiful day. We wander the land both near and far. We glow in the night with a the bounds of our sorrow. We held our dreams for tomorrow, safe in the wings of a beautiful.
So this is the Patratu Valley viewpoint. We have so many खाने का stalls.
लेक
Sunset होने वाला है guys.
May we keep on living it, yeah. We wander the land.
So gonna eat chaat.
You and I, let's keep it alive. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, and I love this feeling, and I wanna keep on feeling it. I love
So this is the last spot for today, and now we are going to head towards our hotel.
keep on feeling it. May we keep on feeling it. Yeah. May we keep on living it. Yeah. Oh.
So guys, I'm finally back in my hotel. It's 7:30 right now. So we are done with this trip, this Jharkhand series, and I'm ending the vlog over here. I really enjoyed all the places I visited here. I like the roads, the falls and everything, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. If you have not seen the first two videos of this Jharkhand series, then please check out the description box. The link of those two videos have been given there, so please check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Love you loads. Take care. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep on feeling it. May we keep on feeling it. Yeah. May we